Today, I'm going to show you how to execute an SQL query using Postgres in N8N step by step. If you're building automations and need your workflow to talk to a database, this is one of the most useful things you can learn. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick N8N tutorials. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This could be an existing automation or a new workflow you've just created. Once your workflow is open, look at the nodes panel on the side. This is where you can add new actions and connections to your automation. Now, in the nodes panel, choose Postgres. You can use the search bar if needed or scroll until you find it. Postgres is the node that lets N8N connect directly to your PostgresQl database. After selecting Postgres, choose Execute a SQL query. This is the option you want when you need to run a custom SQL statement, such as selecting data, inserting records, updating rows, or deleting entries. It gives you direct control over the query that gets sent to the database. Next, configure the node by adding your credentials. This is where you connect N8N to your Postgres database securely. Enter the required database access details in the credentials section and make sure that the connection information is correct. Once the credentials are added, the node will be able to communicate with your database. After everything is configured, run or execute the workflow. N8N will send the SQL query through the Postgres node and return the result based on the query you entered. If the credentials and query are correct, the workflow should execute successfully, and that's it. You've now executed an SQL query using Postgres in N8N. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more N8N automation guides.